Well. Growth is impossible without change. And with that being said and done, let us see what we can do in Blender. I myself, Pranay is going to say something new which we are going to see in the Blender. So with that being said and done, I'm going to go from object mode to edit mode. For that you can hit the tab button on the keyboard as well. And the next tool will be Extrude. If you click and hold on the Extrude button, you will get extra options. You see there are a lot of buttons with white triangles on the corner, which means that something is hidden inside. As well here as well, here as well, and here as well. So I'm going to click on this button, click and hold it, and then leave on this option, extrude along normals. Extrude, EXTRUDE, extrude along normals. And before doing anything, we will go in the face mode, because face mode is the right way to show it. And all the faces are selected. Now I will select one of the face. We will select the top face, because it's always good to be on the top. And here you can click and drag this yellow button. It is going to extrude in that direction. But the good thing about this is Control Z. The good thing about this is if you select two or more than two faces, like I am selecting three faces and clicking and dragging it, you see the faces are extruding. And with that thing we get a menu here. It is showing us the amount of offset we want from that object. But the problem is that you see it's not straight, it's a little bit inclined. To avoid that, here is a button given offset even, and if you check box it, all the offset will be even. If we want, we can flip the normals. This is a topic for some another day, and proportional editing is also a topic for another day. We will go in proportion editing some other day. So this was extrude region along normals. For those who want to know along normals is nothing but perpendicular to any face. Like if I select this face, and the way and the direction in which this yellow line is showing, that is normal. Perpendicular is called as normal in mathematics. And with that being said and done, you try to see it, learn it and understand it. Until then, I will meet you. Goodbye. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to support me wholeheartedly, you can go on the Patreon page. Links will be given in the description. Until then, goodbye.